How to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Wi-Fi keeps turning off automatically or is not working on your Android device. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to reset your network connection in your device. So for that, open up settings in your device. Now all you have to do is tap on the search bar and then search for reset. Then tap on reset options. Here tap on reset option. Now you have to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it and then tap on reset settings. It's gonna ask you to enter your PIN. Provide your PIN, then tap on done. Again tap on reset setting, and now your network or Wi-Fi is reset, so you have to go back and reconnect to your Wi-Fi again. Now go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, now open up settings in your device. Now search for developer option in the search bar. Now you have to look for an option that says Wi-Fi scan throttling. So find out that. Once you have searched for that, if the toggle is turned off, make sure to turn it off. If the toggle is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Again scroll down a bit and there is another option that says mobile data always active. So if that is turned off, you have to turn it on. Now once you have saved all these settings, you can go back, restart your device, and that's going to help you fix your problem and you can connect to Wi-Fi. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.